So with adding an RF code to the YAMIRY lock, you're going to want to make sure that it's nice and close like that, but you're actually going to do this through the app. So I'll go ahead and walk you through the app on how it works, but you want to make sure that it's nice and close, and then that way you'll be able to sync it up through the app. So just like that, hold it right around here on the bottom, and that'll help with the syncing. So I'll go ahead and walk that through the app for you. So let's check it out. All right, so you want to have the Nice Digi app and your lock set up, and you'll go ahead and click in the lock, and you'll go down to the Members button. So down here on the bottom left, you'll see the Members button, and I'll go ahead and add a new member just to show you how that works as well. Once you add that in, it'll go ahead and create the new user, but you'll go ahead and click on it, and then from here, you'll click the RF code, and like I was showing before, you want to make sure that it's really close to it, and it should take not more than the 30 seconds. I was originally doing it kind of high, but if you do it close to it, that'll allow for the sync and the process to work. If it doesn't work, I always think it's good to reset and try again, but there you go, it's been added and the code works. Guys, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. This is the Smart Helper, and thanks for watching.